Okay, so we're looking at the third in the series of Naplan practices. So we'll give you some time, have a quick read, looking at a question that's non-calculator, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so we've got some information about parking. So there's only 1 hour parking on those times, Monday to Friday or for Saturday, but this question we want to park for 2 hours. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go. So 11 o'clock on Thursday falls into Monday to Friday, so it can't be that one. My pen's a bit too big. 4 p.m. Thursday will fall into, that's the second one again. My pen is still too big. That's a bit better. So 4 p.m. Thursday would still be in that one, so that's no good. 11 a.m. Saturday, you're in this section here. So 11 a.m. Saturday is in that section, which is 1 hour parking, but 4 p.m. Saturday is after that one, so it's that answer there. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. Okay, this is looks like a probability question, so these ones are a little bit harder. So have a look, look at the diagram, it gives you good information, and when you're ready, come back live. So looking at the diagram, the squares have 2 sections, the triangle has 1 section, the circle has 2 sections, and the square has 3 sections. So we've got 8 sections. So expecting that these 2 answers should be about the same. This one here should be about half, and this last one should be the largest. So see if you can find one of those. So we've got, like for instance, the pluses and the circles are about the same. The pluses and the circles are not the same. The pluses and the circles are the same. The pluses and the circles are the same. So we've got 3 choices left. This one we can eliminate because the triangles are the same. So we're left with 2. So this one here, that's about half. That one's not really half, but this one here is 4 times, from here to here is 4 times as big, and we're not expecting to get 4 times as big, so that one's dead, so it has to be that one. Okay, so that was a little bit harder, but just using the distractors, we got the answer. Okay, moving across to the next question. Okay, now this one we did a topic test on indices, so only 1/3 of kids in Marici in 2013 without a calculator got it right. So let's see if you can do better. Okay, so 3 to the power 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So I just did it in pairs. 3 squared is just plain old 9, and then 82 minus 9 is... So 81 minus 9 equals 72. So it's that answer there. Okay, so hopefully you got that one right. Moving across to the next question. We've got fractions. We're looking at only 1/3 students got it right. So it's a little bit harder. And it's hard because there's no calculator. So have a look. See how you go, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so Darren is 5/6 of, now when you see the of, that just means multiply, so multiply by 210. Now this one's a little bit harder. We've just got to work out how to break 6 into 210, because 6 doesn't go into 5. So 6 into 2 doesn't go. 6 into 21, 6 3s are 18, and 3 left over. 6 into 30 goes 5, so we've got 5 times 35. So set up the sum like this. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 3s are 15, and 2 is 17. So the answer is 175 centimetres. We don't have to write the centimetres because it's there anyway. So hopefully you didn't do too badly there. Let's move across to the next question. Okay, so a positive number and is multiplied by r, then 20 is added. So what I suggest you do here is just make up a number for n. It's quite simple, and then just see which one gives you gives you the same result. So just make up a number for n and see how you go. Okay, so we've got n is being multiplied by 4, so I'm going to make n equal 5 because then we've got 5 times 4, we're multiplying by 4, so we get 20, and then 20 is added, so 20 plus 20 equals 40. Alright, so our magic number is 5. So let's have a look. So which of the following operations would give the same result? So if I add 20 to n, so I get 25. So the answer we're trying to get is 40. And then multiplying by 4, that gives 100, so that's not right. Adding 4 to n, so we get 9. We're trying to get 40 as our answer, and then multiplying by 20, that gives us 180, so that's wrong. Then we've got 2 to go. Adding 4 to n, so we've got 9 again, and then multiplying by 5. 5 9s are 45, so that's wrong. So we're only left with one more, so let's just make sure it's right. Adding 5 to n, so 5 plus 5 is 10, and then multiplying by 4 gives 40, so it's that one there. So these are the questions when you don't have a number there, just make up a number and then see which one works. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you did okay on that one, and see you for the next practice.